the Mitra segment is continuously going to be the instrumental part for our business. If you looked at the second quarter, out of the paid GMV or TPV growth of 56%, the TPV of the Mitra actually grew by 237%, right? And on the revenue part, the overall company on second quarter, the revenue up by 37%, of which 292% actually came from the Mitra segment. Now that Mitra has gone from 12% contribution of revenue to about 33% in second quarter 21. So we continuously to see that to grow. And we do think that in the very near future, more than half of our business are going to be contributed from the Mitra segment.
Okay, and what kind of return on investment to the bottom line do you expect from this space? Because it would fairly be capital intensive in terms of the investment going into making small stores more self-reliant.
No, it's actually all tech enabled. So if you looked at in terms of the revenue stripped out the cost, i.e. the cost of sales and the sales and marketing even, i.e. covering all the variable costs, the Mitra segment went from minus 0.31% in second quarter 2020 to minus 0.19% in second quarter 2021 as a ratio of the total business of the TPV. So if you compare that, it's merely practically on 0 point something% in terms of the burn that we do, it is actually not very capital intensive at all. And that puts a company where we are today. Actually, our monthly burn is below $10 million, which means that with the cash that we have today, post the IPO proceed of over 1.6 billion now sitting in our bank account, we do have almost 15 years worth of cash runway. And probably just to correct you a bit, I just checked the stock price actually is still hovering above the IPO price as the trading continues today.
You were talking about how much cash you have before the net proceeds from the IPO. I think it's around cash or cash equivalent of around $190 million. You bought 5jack, which is an online games marketplace. What else are you interested, or what particular sector might you be interested in making further acquisitions in, Teddy?
I think the way we kind of looked at our expansion is always on what inherent into the business, right? Gaming is one of them that we looked into. Obviously, we have done in the past. A lot of the initiative going ahead will be to continuously improve in terms of our offering through the mom and pop kiosk, as well as to direct to our customer through enabling multiple sales channel to a lot of our online sales. And we hope that by doing so, it will continue to enhance also not just the Mitra segment, but also our existing marketplace segment, which if you looked at on second quarter 2021, the marketplace segment actually have covered for its variable costs. So it does have a positive unit economics, and we'll continue to leverage on both on the online and the offline to address for the growth on both of the segment, because we do believe that in the country that are vastly populated like Indonesia, where majority of the population live outside tier 1 city, it is not just leveraging on one strategy, i.e. online. We need to leverage both online and offline infrastructure of the country.